Hey guys, namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. On today's session, we are going to learn about HTML layouts. In HTML5, we have some new HTML elements that are used to create a layout divisions like headings, navigations, aside, and some footers and sections articles. So today we are going to learn to create simple layout designing in HTML by using this new HTML5 layout elements. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that you can be notified whenever a new video arrives. So let's begin today's session. In HTML, to design our web page by dividing our screen, we can also use a table for dividing our screens. But for creating a responsive web page, we can use a tag div for partition our screen into various sections like headings, menu bar, sidebar, footers, etc. And for inline, we can use a tag span. But now in HTML5, we have some new layout elements like header, footer, aside, sections, articles, etc. So today we are going to use these new HTML5 layout elements to design our web layout. These tags require a CSS definition to make designed and organized web layout. So I had already linked a CSS file in our HTML. We will learn about CSS in our coming videos. For now, we are just going to learn how to use this new HTML5 layout elements. So let's begin. On our body, first of all, in our web layout, we need a header, so we use a header tag. And inside a header, we can add any text or logos. For now, I'm just going to add one text with heading 1. And after heading, let's add one menu bar by using a nav tag. And inside this nav tag, we can add the menu items by using hyperlink a tag. Up to now, in our web page, we have one header and a navigation menu bar. Now save it and let's check it in our browser. We can see that now we have one header and after that we have our navigation menu bar. If you want to change this navigation bar in the top of our page, just cut this navigation code and paste it in before the heading. Now our menu bar is on our top of our page. After this heading and navigation, we will divide this remaining screen into two parts. On our right side, we will make one partition for showing our latest post, and on our left side, it will be our main body where we will add our articles. For making this partition, we will use section, and inside this section we have two parts. One is left side for our article and right side for our latest aside post. So on first, I use an article tag, and inside this article I will add some paragraphs. Just going to copy paste as a dummy text. Let's add one image. After this article, now we are going to create the right partition. For this, I'm going to use aside tag, and inside this aside tag, I'm just giving some contents like some pictures and some text. Now we have one article for our left partition and a side for our right partition. Now save it and let's check it how it looks in our browser. Now we can see that in this left partition we have some articles with pictures and paragraphs, and in our right side we have some pictures and some text as a latest post in our right partition. Let's make some changes to make this text justify and these images little bit smaller. Now our web layout is little bit better than before. Now the final thing we have to add is footer in the end of our page. After this section, just add a footer tag, and you can write anything else inside this footer tag what you want to display in the footer bar. For now I am just going to add a text, Tutor Pratik, and let's add a symbol registration and make this registration for superscript and copyright superscript ampersand copy 2020. To make this text center aligned, we will use a center tag. Now save it and let's check it our browser. Now we have a footer, a sidebar, main body with an article, navigation and headings. In this way we can use the new HTML5 layout elements to design our HTML web layouts. That's all for today. We'll come back soon with new session videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.